In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how to grow a lot of butternut squash in a small amount of space. This is Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. Fall is upon us here in the Northeast, and the colors are just spectacular. At the end of the season, I like to share with you what worked well so you can use those tips in your garden. This year, I pulled up strawberries that were in my 4x4 raised bed because I felt like they were just not producing enough food for the space. So this year I grew 2 zucchinis, 2 squash plants, and bush beans in between. For the butternut, I was amazed at how many we got by letting them grow along the nearby fence. The plants supported the fruit without any issues, and we got an abundant amount of butternut squash. I started these indoors 2 weeks before my last expected frost and transplanted them out when they're about 3 weeks old, which was about 1 week after my last expected frost. The zucchini did well also. Check out my video down below on how to grow zucchini vertically. I grew these up a stake. The rule of thumb here is that whenever possible, try to grow your vegetables vertically to save precious garden space. Also, this is a good time to start thinking about next year's garden. It's never too soon to start planning. If you need help planning, click the link below and you'll be taken to our custom garden plan services where you can plan your garden within a matter of minutes, making planning next year much easier. Well, that's about all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when we post new videos.